Everybody, welcome to self-defense class. If you're expecting Mrs. Olson, it's okay, you're still in the right spot. I'm Miss Dwyer, I'm student teaching in the PE department, so you might have seen me around. So I'm helping her out with self-defense. So you are in the right spot. A little bit about me. I will be your student teacher through May 14th. I'm also the head softball coach here, so you might have seen me before. I've been around a little bit, but this is my first time teaching self-defense, so we'll be going through it together. But every day I'm going to have a video like this for you guys to watch. Today's will probably be the longest of all of them. I'm just going to run through the Schoology page so you guys know what's expected of you, how to find everything, and we will go from there, all right? So to start, I'm going to share my screen here with you, all right? Every single day there's going to be a folder. It's going to be labeled by week and it's going to be labeled by the date. So you're going to need to find the date. So today, April 14th, you're going to click on it. All right. It says welcome to self-defense here. I'm going to try to have a little fun gift there for you guys every single day. All right. Everything you're going to need will be on this one page in that one folder for that day. All right. So hopefully it's super easy to find everything that's expected of you as long as you go to materials and to this folder. All right. So as we go down, if you are on this page, you're off to a good start. Here's a list of things that we're going to talk about today. All right. How to access and navigate the page, what to expect for class, and how to get your daily points. Okay. So every single day I'm going to have today's tasks. There's usually going to be about 3 tasks there. So task 1 is pretty much always going to be to watch my video. So sometimes in my video, I say things that I don't post on the website. So it's a little bit helpful if you watch this 2-minute video. It can answer a lot of questions and a lot of confusion. All right, so make sure you always do task 1, watch my video. Today, task 2, we're going to read about tasks, exit tickets, and day-to-day outline. Task 3, we're going to submit your activity today, which is going to be your exit ticket. All right, so task 1, you scroll down. My video is going to be right here, obviously after I'm done recording this. Task 2, read about tasks, exit tickets, and day-to-day breakdown on your own. So the tasks here, I kind of just went through them. They're going to be in those red letters. This is just a guideline for you to help you outline, all right, what is expected of me today. Exit tickets, this is how you're going to get your 10 daily points almost every day. So it'll come in forms of discussion posts, assignments, video reflections. Sometimes you're going to have to record yourself doing a certain move, upload that. So it's going to come in all sorts of forms. Those can always be found down here at the bottom of the page, okay? Always, always, always. So our exit tickets, we should not look up here in the grade book. All right. If you look in the grade book, there's going to be no instruction on how to fill out that task. So I highly recommend you go through this page and fill it out here at the bottom. Okay. And day-to-day breakdown. This is probably the most important for this self-defense class here. So due to online learning, we obviously know that self-defense is kind of hard to do when we're not in person. So it's going to look like a lot of videos, a lot of instruction, but it's going to take a lot of practicing on your part. So we understand that there's a lot of content. So we've broken it down into there's going to be 2 days of self-defense content, 2 workout days, and then that last day is going to be random. So it might be an off day where you're just resting. It might be a day where you're just expected to practice a skill on your own with no exit ticket. It might be something else, all right? But there will only be 2 days of self-defense instruction and activities and 2 workout days. So if we look down at this example weekly calendar here, Monday is probably always going to be a workout day. Okay, so you're going to do a workout and you're going to answer a discussion question for your exit ticket to get those points. Tuesday, Thursdays will pretty much always be our self-defense days. Wednesdays, maybe our off day. We might switch Wednesday and Friday every now and then. And then whichever day we don't do will be our other general fitness workout day. Okay. So task 3, what you need to do for today. Okay, you're going to make a 1-minute video of yourself, super informal, just like this, just talking to me. Tell me a little bit about yourself. So this is the only way that I can see you guys and put some names to faces. So things you can talk about: your name, your grade, your favorite hobbies, how quarantine's going, who are you quarantining with, what are you excited about for summer, really anything that's going to be helpful for me to know you as we move forward. Okay, maybe why are you taking this class? How's online learning going for you? Okay, really anything. You're just going to talk for a minute. After you've recorded that, you're going to upload that here in the exit ticket, the get to know you video. Okay, after you upload this 1-minute video, you are done for today. All right, super easy today. We just wanted to take you through this page. All right, one more thing. My office hours are 10 to 1. I'm going to put that up in here. Okay, if you have any questions and want to reach out for me, I can reach out to me. I'll always be on my computer from 10 to 1. I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. And then contact me or Miss Olson with questions. If it's something about the activity for that day, something about how the page is set up, go ahead and ask me. If it's strictly about self-defense, Mrs. Olson can probably help you out a little bit more than I can. But feel free to reach out whenever you need to. All right, good luck. Talk to you guys tomorrow.